Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you Gusto recipe management system. This is our admin panel. You can see total admins, total normal user, total visits, total categories, total recipes, total tips and tricks, total global, newsletter, total place, then recipe under review, setting. Another option you can customize, then SEO, content information, social media, then API key, then slider. You can add new record and also edit and delete slider. Then user, administrator, normal user. In administrator you can add new record, edit and delete. Then normal user and category you can create category, edit and delete. Then recipe, you can add new recipe record, then edit and delete, change status. Then tips and tricks, same pattern. Then news, same. Announcement, then page, you can add new page record, then and edit and delete. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.